Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of exercise 2b. Question number 6 first part, all of you see. Question number 6 part number 1 exercise 2b. Figure is given. Here it is 37 degree. Here it is x. We have to find the value of x. So here you are observing that these two are straight lines. Whenever two straight lines intersect at each other, then opposite angles are equal. The name of the property is vertically opposite angle. So we will say answer of x is 37 degree because the name of the property is vertically opposite angle. So only this much you have to do in part number first. Now see part number third. Part number third figure is given like this. Here it is x. Here it is 50. And here it is given x. So in this question, first of all, what you have to do? This x we have to bring here because these two straight lines are intersecting at each other. So these are vertically opposite angle. So we will bring this x here. So first of all we have to write the name A, B, C, D, E, F. And this point where all the lines are intersecting, let's say this point is O point. Now these two lines are intersecting. The line name is BE line. This is BE, another line is CF. These two lines are intersecting at O point and a downside here it is given X. So first of all we have to write these two are vertically opposite angle. Angle FOE will be equal to angle BOC. Both the angles will be equal to each other. This angle value is X, so this angle value will also be X. These are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Now we will take this upper figure, upper side figure. So I am drawing here, I am making the figure here. This is the line. Here it is given 50 degree and remaining two are x, 50. These two are x. Vertices name are given A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D and O. This is the figure. Here we have to use the angle on a straight line property. This is the straight line and this is the half circle. The value of the half circle is 180 degree. So what we have to do? We have to add all the three angles 1, 2 and 3. These three angles we have to add. Angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these three angles we are taking 180 and the name of the property is angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. This property we are using. Now we have to write the values. AOB value is x plus BOC value is also x. COD value is 50. Sum of these three angles we are taking 180. X plus x will be 2x plus 50 is equal to 180. Now this 50 will come to right hand. So plus 50 will become minus 50. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. And 180 minus 50 when we will do, then we will get 130. And on the left hand it is 2x. So x answer will be 130 upon 2. On cancelling it, we will get the answer of x. X is equal to 65 degree. So like this you have to do question number 6, part number 3. Now see another question. Question number 7. Seventh question. Figure is given. One, 2, 3, 4. Here it is given 70 degree. Here it is given 50 degree. And heading of the question is find the value of the angle labeled 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all we will write the name A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's say this point is O. Two lines we will take first BE line, CF line. These two lines we are taking. Here it is given 70 degree. Here it is angle 2. So here two straight lines are intersecting. That means these two are vertically opposite angle. So we will write angle 2 answer will be 70 degree because these two are vertically opposite angle. So first answer we got, this one answer is 70. Now we will take another two lines. We will take CF line, CF, this line and this one AD line. AD line. Here it is given 50 degree. This one is 50. Opposite to this is angle 3. Here it is 3 angle. So we will say angle 3 will be equal to 50 degree because it is vertically opposite angle. So here we will write this is 50 degree. Now 4 and 1, these two also we have to find. So in order to find fourth angle, we have to take this straight line AD. Straight line A, here it is B, C, D, 50, this one is 70, this angle is 4. So here we have to take the property angle on a straight line, and sum of all these three we will do. Angle 4 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Property name is angle on a straight line. This property we will use here, angle on a straight line. Now 4 angle value we have to calculate. 70 plus 50, it will be 120. So angle 4 plus 120 is equal to 180. No need to add these two. This fourth angle we have to find. 120 will go on right hand, so angle 4 will be 180 minus 120. So angle 4 answer will be 60. So fourth angle is 60 degree. Now this angle we got 60. In front of angle 4, here is angle 1. So you will write angle 1 and angle 4 both are 60 degree because these two are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So this is your final answer of question number 7, part number first. Second part also you have to do like this only. Now all of you see question number 8, first part. 8 question, first part. Figure is given. Here it is 90, x, 2x minus 15. This is 2x plus 35. We have to find the value of x. So this symbol means this is the 90 degree. Here we have to use complete angle property. Full circle. Full circle is of 360 degree. So what we have to do? 90 plus x plus 2x minus 15 plus 2x plus 35. Sum of all these angles will be 360. The name of the property is complete angle. Now x plus 2x will be 3x. 3x plus 2x 5x. 90 plus 35 will become plus 125. Now minus 15 is remaining. This minus 15 also we will write is equal to 360. Now 5x plus and minus is minus, so we will subtract them. On subtracting we will get 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 1 1, and this one 110 is equal to 360. Now this 110 will come to right hand, so 5x is equal to 360 minus 110. On subtracting it we will get 250. So 5x answer is 250. So x answer is 250 upon 5. On cancelling them we will get 50. So x is equal to 50 degree is the answer. So like this you have to do question number 9 question number 8 first part. Now question number 9. Ninth question. First part. A, O, C, D, B, X, and this full angle is 120. And in the heading it is given OD is the bisector of angle BOC. In the question it is given OD is the bisector of angle BOC. So this OD is the bisector. Bisector means it will divide angle BOC into two equal parts. Two equal parts it will be divided. OD is the bisector of BOC. BOC angle is this. So this full angle will get divided into two equal parts. Therefore we can say this much part COD equal होगा. This angle COD will be equal to DOB. Why these two angles will be equal to each other? Because this OD line is the bisector, therefore these two angles will be equal to each other. This is x, so this angle will also be x degree. Now in the next step we have to make one more figure, and figure is little bit different. D. This line we will not draw. We will not take this line. OD. This line we are drawing here. This complete angle is 120 here. This angle is 120 degree. On the right side of OD it is x. Now what we have to do? We have to use here linear pair property. Linear pair property we will use this one. X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. This is the linear pair because two angles are coming. That's why this is the linear pair property. Now x value we have to find. So this 120 will go to right side. So 180 minus 120, answer will be 60 degree. So final answer of x is 60 degree. So like this you have to do question number 9. Now see question number 10. Question number 10 is P is a point on the line AB. First of all, we will draw a line AB. This is a line AB. P is a point on this line AB. After that, PC is a ray with P as end point. PC. This one is a ray. Ray means one side end point will be there, other side arrow will be there. So this is the ray. Angle CPA. Angle CPA. Ratio CPB answer is given 7:5. So what we have to do, we have to assume that whenever ratio will be given, you have to assume. Let's say CPA is 7x, CPB is 5x. So CPA, this is the 7x and this angle is 5x. And in the figure, if you will observe here carefully, here two angles are coming and both are on a straight line. So two angles on a straight line, linear pair property we have to use. Sum of these two angles, 7x plus 5x will be 180 degree because this is the linear pair property. Now 7x plus 2x will be 12x is equal to 180. X answer will be 180 upon 12. On cancelling them, we will get 12 1 ja 12, remainder 6, 12 5 ja 60. So x answer we got 15. This is the answer of x. What we have to find in the question? In the question, we have to find angle CPA. These two angles answer we have to find. So CPA answer is 7x. That means 7 into 15. On multiplying them, why we are putting here 15? Because value of x is 15. So when we will multiply these two angles, we will get 105. This is the answer of angle CPA. Another angle is CPB. Angle CPB. CPB answer is 5x. So 5 into x value 15. On multiplying them, we will get 15 5 ja 75. So both angles we got here. First angle is 105 and second angle is 75 degree. So like this you have to do question number 10. So now this exercise is over. Your homework is you all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook.